Welcome to Healthy and Fitness Academy. Be healthy and stay fit forever with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Choosing weight loss pills and products. Choosing weight loss pills can be tricky. Even though many claim to lead to natural weight loss, not all of them are legitimate. The problem is that the weight loss pill industry is full of people who are selling bogus products. This includes pills, patches and creams. It can be confusing because there are so many promises out there about natural weight loss pills with no real proof that they work. This is not to say that all weight loss pills and products are evil. The key is to choose quality supplements that are good for you. First of all, try to choose natural products. Avoid pills that contain synthetic chemicals that could give you a shocking surprise when it comes to side effects. Keep in mind that if you buy cheap diet pills full of caffeine, you will get the jitters. You should also avoid ephedra, which causes shakiness and heart attacks. You should also never exceed the recommended dosages for these products, unless you really want to feel ill or perhaps even die. There are also a lot of diet pills on the market that are quite simply fake. Some make you anxious and others make you very fatigued. Read the labels and make sure what you are buying something pure and organic. Always pay attention to recommended dosages for these products, and never exceed them to avoid nasty side effects. You should also only use products that have some kind of medical approval or proof of quality that is legitimate. This is because no diet products are subject to any kind of FDA approval. You need to read the labels to protect yourself from taking dangerous chemicals that can cause disorientation, nausea, dehydration and other problems. Unfortunately, most people have to take these pills for a number of days or even weeks to find out if they even work. It is hard to get your money these products. If they don't work, as usually you end up taking most of the weight loss pills before you find out they are ineffective. When you buy pills, try to look for ones that come with pamphlets that offer proof that medical studies have been done. All you can do is read the labels to try and protect yourself. Yet another sign of a good weight loss product is the offer of a full refund if the pills do not work within a specified period of time. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN